Here's a striking fact. Companies with integrated production and material management reduce operational costs by 30%, yet most still manage these functions separately. Organizations often struggle with synchronizing production and material flow. Factories face production delays due to material shortages, while warehouses overflow with excess inventory. Companies waste resources through poor coordination between production needs and material availability. Production managers frequently battle with material-related disruptions. Planners struggle to balance material requirements with production schedules. Teams face constant pressure to maintain production while managing material constraints. This comprehensive course aligns production and material management systems. Participants learn to create seamless connections between production demands and material flow. The training focuses on optimizing the entire process from material planning to finished goods. Organizations implementing these integrated practices see remarkable improvements. Production efficiency increases while inventory costs decrease. Operations become more reliable through better material planning and control. For operations professionals, the transformation is significant. Managers develop integrated planning skills, while teams learn to coordinate more effectively. Production and material functions work in harmony rather than conflict. Begin optimizing your production and material operations today. Transform your facility into a model of operational efficiency. Contact us now to learn how proper integration can enhance your productivity.